Welcome, sports fans. Getting started with Hard Rock Bet is easy. After logging in, you're greeted with the main dashboard, featuring an inviting welcome banner. Here, you'll see featured promotions, easily access your account, and browse current trending events, popular bets, or explore any of your favorite sports. It's your personalized hub for all things sports betting. To start betting, let's explore a specific sport like the NBA. This page displays all upcoming games. For each match, you'll find the standard bet types, the spread, the point total, and the direct winner, also known as the money line. The American odds associated with each outcome let you know how much you stand to win. Let's say you're interested in the Heat versus Celtics game. When you focus on a match, you might see highlighted details on specific odds. Suppose you believe the Heat can cover the spread. You just tap on that selection. The purple box shows it's selected. This sends it to your bet slip for a closer look. Now that you've made a selection, your bet slip automatically opens. Let's see how placing a bet works. You can view your pick, in this case, Celtics to win. Input your wager amount using the keypad. Notice how the app instantly calculates your potential payout, making it clear how much you're risking versus what you can gain. Then, just hit place bet. The process is flexible. You could just as easily place a different bet, like taking the Heat to win. By inputting your desired wager and seeing the corresponding payout, you retain full control. That's a quick overview of how Hard Rock Bet works. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more betting tips and app walkthroughs.